Are you ready to streamline your property management process? Discover how using digital checklists can transform your rental turnover experience. Let's explore the essential elements of Zillow's checklist integrated with eAuditor. Start with Auditor's basic move-in/move-out template. Add Zillow's room-by-room details using dropdowns, comments, and image fields. Save this as a master template for all properties. Set up automatic alerts for seasonal maintenance tasks. This ensures a smooth and efficient property management process. Test the washer and dryer to ensure they operate correctly. Check that vents are clear and there's no standing water. Inspect the garage door remote and verify lighting. Assess the lawn, walkways, fences, and gates for condition. Finally, ensure gutters are clean and trash bins are present. Verify the fridge and freezer are clean and cold. Test the oven, stovetop, and exhaust fan for functionality. Check the sink for hot and cold water and test the garbage disposal. Inspect cabinets for cleanliness and functional handles. Confirm all appliance manuals are available for tenants. Test bedroom doors, locks, closets, outlets, and window screens. Check carpets for stains or damage. Verify toilets flush properly and sinks drain well. Inspect tubs and showers for mold or damage. Test bathroom exhaust fans, GFCI outlets, and inspect mirrors and towel bars. Test all keys, doorbells, deadbolts, and access devices. Verify that entry lights function correctly, check walls for damage, and test windows and blinds. Ensure ceiling fans work and inspect safety features like outlets and smoke detectors. This thorough check ensures tenant satisfaction. By integrating Zillow's checklist with Auditor, you ensure comprehensive coverage and consistent inspections. This approach catches often missed details and enhances tenant satisfaction. Embrace digital checklists to transform your property management today.